Hi everybody, welcome to Linea Spain and welcome to Ciclo Veloz. This is probably my favorite and best bike store here in Linea. It's on kind of one of the main streets here in the center of town. But I like this place. I come here for all of my biking needs, but they have literally everything that you need here. And another reason why I like this place is because I brought my bike in here earlier because it was making this clicking sound. And he just fixed it. Great price. It took him about a half hour. I waited outside while he did it. And they've got this cool repair shop here. So if you're in Linea or you're coming to Linea and you buy a bike or you have a bike and you want to buy a bike, come to Ciclo Veloz. I'll put the map location in the description below. I've got tires done here, brakes done here. I think this is one of the best bike shops in Linea and I highly recommend it. This guy just fixed my bike, this part right here. Took about 20-30 minutes. It was $12 to do it. And now I don't have that clicking sound anymore. Just got home from the bicycle shop and I'm so happy that clicking sound that I was hearing is gone. He actually took apart, I don't know what the inside of the thing is called, but he took the pedals off and took the inside kind of part out, greased that up. So now when I'm biking, I don't hear click, click, click all the time. So if you're in Linea, if you're moving to Spain to work in Gibraltar, and you have a bike or you're looking for a bike, I highly recommend that bike shop. Every time I go in, they're always really helpful and good people, family-run business. Or even if you don't speak Spanish, they speak bike. So if you go in and you just point or you show them what's happening, I've done that before too, and they're like, oh, well, you need a new one of this or you need that. And they're super good at what they do at Ciclo Veloz. So highly recommend them. If you're looking for a bicycle here in Linea or you need some bike repairs done, go to Ciclo Veloz.